Greetings, fellow heroes. Here's how you can buy and sell resources in Heroes of Might and Magic Olden era. Running out of basic resources and you can't waste your heroes' moves collecting them on the map? Well, there's another way. Aside from just waiting for your mines or mills to produce them. Double-click on any city you own on the map or on the right-hand panel. On the same right panel, you'll see this treasure chest icon labeled Exchange Resources. It'll be grayed out most of the time, so you need to build a marketplace first. After you construct a marketplace, you can now click on the Exchange Resources option. A new window will pop up. For example, if I'm short on gems, I can pick the gems on the right side and trade them for any resource I currently own on the left. Let's say I'll pay with gold. I'll drag the slider a bit to the right and a single gem would cost me 2,000 gold. If I decided to pay with ores instead, it would cost me 8 ores for 1 gem. If I'm short in gold, I could even decide to sell all my crystals for 2,500 gold. It's pretty simple, you just choose your resources to exchange, adjust the amount with the slider in the middle, and if you have made a decision, just click the brown button at the center below the slider. Make sure to do the exchange wisely and carefully, as different towns or cities might have varying markups or costs. And that's basically all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick game guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.